frisky. Put on my boots and grab me some whiskey. Headed to the spot where she waits for me. My new pickup truck, my whole on lease. Oh, she's my steel and chrome, she just quakes my bone. In this world full of stuff, she's my faithful truck. I feel such pride, she's my honky-tonk bride. My dipstick comes alive at her touch. I'm in love with my pickup truck. Cruising down the back roads, just me and her. Her radio's blasting, it's a country blur. Her engine's growling like a tiger's roar. Her slick, hot oil got me begging for more. Oh, she's my sexual clone, she's my riding on. In this world full of stuff, she's my faithful truck. With her I feel such pride, she's my honky-tonk bride. My dipstick comes alive at her touch. I'm in love with my pickup truck. She's got the curves that drive me wild. Every bumping ride makes me smile. From tailgate parties to moonlit nights, in my pickup truck, libido's alight. When the stars come out and the moon's aglow, we park by the lake, put on a show. She's more than just metal, more than just steel. In my pickup truck, such pleasure I feel. Oh, she's my steel and chrome, she's my rolling throne. In this world full of stuff, she's my faithful truck. With her I feel such pride, she's my